Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best miter gauges for table saw that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Incramiter 1000 HD miter gauge for table saw. The Incramiter gauge takes the top position in our list because it is well equipped with control features that will help you make precise lean cuts. Besides, one chief advantage of this miter gauge is, it is cooperative with different saw models. It comes with a unique 180-degree angle lock indexing stop with 1-degree step spacing that will give you a distinct work surface, as it has special stops placed at 22.5 degrees. It also features a smooth adjustable miter bar, telescoping Incra lock, cutoff fence, and 1/10 degree steel vernier scale that can upgrade any woodworking project quality. You can also set the angle correctly to duplicate it when you need it, like 10 sides need a cut of 18 degrees or anything like this. Besides, the adjustable telescoping fence can extend from 18 inches to 31 inches. It's made of heavy-duty stainless steel and laser-cut components. The mobile flip stop can also be placed wherever on the timber's length and can be relocated easily without disrupting the project's location. Overall, it's a good investment for a long-term return. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Mayagu Woodworking Miter Gauge Tools. With this professional table saw miter gauge, you will quickly achieve your corrections and markings in woodworking projects. We think it is the right choice for professional woodworkers and need to make precise cuts. You can use this miter gauge with any table saw measures approximately 9.5 mm by 19 mm. The miter gauge can make angular cuts easily because it comes with an angle adjustment positioning block. The oversized clutch attaches it with the wood steadily and can stay at the desired angle. It is harmonious with most table saws and router tables with standard slots. At number 3, we have the Incramiter V27 miter gauge. Incramiter produces some excellent features miter gauge that offers exceptional quality. This model is one of them, which offers 27 angle stops for specific total control. This high-performance miter gauge designed to fit any table saw. The exclusive angle lock indexing system and adjustable glide lock miter bar ensure smooth sliding while at work. Furthermore, 4 expansion points are set on both sides of the bar to eliminate movement between the bar and channel. It offers 41 locking angle stops in 5-degree additions over a full 180-degree span. More than that, the flip shop stop provides a repeatable setting to more limited downtime and more potency. At number 2, we have the Fulton Precision Miter Gauge. The Fulton Precision is a kind of miter gauge that fits with spring-loaded adjustable plungers to easily adjust by using a hex key for perfect fitting into the table saw. It will provide you with the most suitable solution for all cross-cutting demands. It's made of solid aluminum that is 0.200 inches of thick to hold the heavy wood firmly. Another essential feature is the 13 positive stop holes located on either side of the miter gauge at 0 and 6 on either side of the 0 to 90 scales. In contrast, a spring-loaded indexing clip helps to ensure the indicator in the desired angle by slotting into the machined holes. Woodworkers and other professionals mostly use these positive holes. The miter gauge's head adjustment is also straightforward, as you only need to release the knob handle, twist the head, stretch the string, remove the pin, and then set the angle. A detachable holding disc fits into the bar, preventing it from accidental lifting as you use the gauge. And finally, at number 1, we have the Kreg KMS 7102 table saw miter gauge system. With the accuracy of a 6-inch lens cursor on its fence, this model of Kreg's miter gauge is straightforward to install because it equips with a high-visibility red line that allows you to make proper adjustments with comfort. This factory-calibrated gauge can positively stop at 0, 10, 22-1/2, 30, and 45 degrees angle. The cursor positions on a swing stop sliding tool can glide effortlessly across the fence and have a handle for locking it into place at the right spot. It also has a rounded foot to get the stop out of the way when not in use. The other feature, including a vernier cursor with 1/10 degree angle adjustments, provides high performance. Also, the 5 adjusters on the bar to eliminate movement in the table slot. The micro adjuster allows extra angle alignment to 1/100th degree. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.